2 containers of Tannerite, 1 duck decoy.
Yeah.
So what happened?
Man, the whole stump's blown in half. I don't see the duck.
Tannerite versus a fishing reel. What do y'all think?
All right, ready? 3.
All right, well, we just blew some stuff up. That was pretty awesome. Well, Tannerite versus a fishing reel equals fishing reel no moss. We couldn't even find like a piece of the fishing reel. I'm gonna go back and watch my GoPro footage and maybe if I can see where it went or if it like really did just disintegrate. But that was 4 things of Tannerite, and basically that reel's no more. We also blew up a duck decoy. That was pretty cool too. Basically, the moral of the story is Tannerite's pretty awesome, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time.